today I'm doing another unboxing, and this one is quite unexpected. I know what's in here, but I didn't think it would arrive today. It's actually the same day I don't know if you've seen the video yet, that I got the that really mashed up pneumatic NV250 out of bins. But yeah, this has arrived. It's a vintage upright. Yeah. I didn't expect it to arrive today either because it's quite late. It's actually like 9:30 at night. I was listening to a bit of music. Had my earphones in. Literally listen to music with earphones up full volume, which is quite bad for you. What's this? Oh. We have a switch in here, okay? Switch to fit VAX 2000. It's not a VAX, I can tell you that. But yeah, I had my earphones in, listened to a bit of music, and my mum's texted me and she said, "Oh, there's a parcel." Alright then. So, first thing out, it's in bits. First thing out of the box, we have this, which is a cleaner head. It is very dirty, but it is an Electrolux clean head. There. Beater bars on this one. Quite short brushes, could do with new brushes in there. That's quite warm. But yeah, generally, nice cleaner head. Next out we have the top handle section of the machine. Here. With on-off switch, missing the cable with this one, but I do have a spare. And then, that's nice of it. We have a little bag with some bits in there. So we've got the handle locking pins, the foam donut that goes on the bottom of the handle, the filter, and the I assume a new belt as well, which is nice of him. I didn't actually tell you who I got this off. I got this off Saturn. Mr. Beppo, 1987. And here is the main body of the cleaner. And we'll just check in here that there is nothing else to come out, which I don't think there is. Hello, what's that? Ah, look, one of them belt seals that go around the bottom. No, nothing else in there to come out. So yes, I have got myself an Electrolux 504. It's a 504. I thought it was a 506, but it's a 504 upright vacuum cleaner. Although it's not very uprightish at the minute. It's in 3 parts. But yeah, it's. I mean, I suppose it saves me the hassle of trying to strip this down. He said it runs actually, so you know, but I can't really show it running in this picture. In this video, you can tell I'm tired. I can't even get my words out. But yeah, I'm quite excited for this. Another quarantine project for me. But yeah, it's in 3 parts. It should be, obviously, that should go in there like that. That should be on there. Again, this has been repaired. Quite a good repair actually. Been repaired like that because obviously that's broken off. But yeah, it's not bad. It needs a good bloody clean, I can tell you that. It is one dirty lux. Let's have a look in here, see what's in here. So we have the foam donut that goes on the bottom of the bag thingy. I've got 2 thingies there, and we've got a filter that's actually smells quite nice, but I might wash that. I don't know if Sam's actually washed that already, but I might wash it. But I've got some, like the felt ones that sit on top of that. I've got some brand new ones in the shed that I can stick on it. But yeah, I've got myself a nice vintage Electrolux, which is nice. I always quite like these actually. Quite like the very 70s mustard yellow. I'm a big fan of yellow as it is, and this is quite a nice yellow, very 70s. Quite like the light up switch on this one as well. I don't know why Sam's actually. I'll have to give Sam a message to see if he's actually meant to have shut that in. But you know. But yeah. Anyways, there we go. Seal that up. There we go. Before we go, I think this is. Let's have a look. See what the date is on this. Serial number is 926, so I'm guessing 1979. This one. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy that it's in bits actually. Just saves me the hassle, as I said, of stripping it down. I don't know if that's faded or not. I always knew the handles were slightly. That looks. I don't know. But it's going to polish up quite nice. Anyway, but you know, there we go. There is my new, well, in 3 pieces, Electrolux 504 upright vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.